In 2025's streaming world, perfect lighting doesn't have to wreck your wallet. In this video, we spotlight the top 3 budget lights every streamer should know about, each delivering crisp, flattering illumination without breaking the bank. Whether you're in a tiny dorm room or a full-fledged studio, we'll break down which one fits your style, setup, and budget. Ready to level up your look on camera? Let's dive in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Number 3. The Elgato Key Light Mini is a compact yet powerful lighting solution designed for creators, gamers, and professionals who want studio-quality lighting in a portable form. With its slim and lightweight build, this light is perfect for vlogging, streaming, or video conferencing. It delivers adjustable brightness and a color temperature range from warm to cool, allowing you to customize the mood and look of your content. Whether you need a cozy warm glow or crisp daylight tones, this light has you covered. One of the standout features is its Wi-Fi connectivity, which lets you control brightness and color temperature directly from the Elgato app on your PC, Mac, iPhone, or Android device. This makes adjustments seamless, without interrupting your recording or stream. The Key Light Mini is also rechargeable, offering true portability, so you're not tied down by power outlets, making it an excellent option for creators on the go. Despite its small size, the light provides professional-grade illumination that enhances skin tones and reduces shadows, giving you a polished look every time you go live or hit record. Its versatility means it can be mounted on a tripod, attached to your setup, or even handheld. For those looking for a budget-friendly, yet professional and portable light, the Elgato Key Light Mini is a smart conferencing. Number 2. The Neewer 18-inch ring light kit, RL18, is a versatile and professional lighting option designed for creators who want to elevate their video or photography setup without overspending. This 55-watt LED ring light delivers a bright, even, and soft illumination at a fixed 5x600K daylight color temperature, perfect for achieving a clean, natural look on camera. Its large 18-inch diameter ensures wide coverage, reducing harsh shadows and enhancing skin tones, making it an excellent choice for makeup artists, barbers, tattoo professionals, and streamers alike. The kit comes complete with a sturdy light stand, adjustable soft tube, phone holder, and a carrying bag for portability. The flexible soft tube allows you to adjust the angle of the light with ease, ensuring you can find the perfect setup for your content. The included phone holder makes it especially convenient for creators who shoot directly from their smartphones, while the professional stand ensures stability during longer recording sessions. What sets the Neewer RL18 apart is its balance of professional quality and budget-friendly pricing. While it's powerful enough for studio use, it's still simple and user-friendly, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced creators. Whether you're streaming, recording YouTube videos, or working in a studio environment, this ring light provides consistent, flattering illumination that enhances your content instantly. Number 1. The Neewer 2-pack dimmable bi-color 480 LED video light kit is a solid choice. This kit includes 2 LED panels that feature 480 high-quality LEDs with a color temperature range of 3200K to 5600K, giving you flexibility to switch between warm and cool tones depending on your mood or shooting environment. With a CRI of 96+, the lights deliver accurate and natural colors, which is especially important for streamers and YouTubers who want their videos to look sharp and professional. One of the standout features is the adjustable U-bracket design, allowing you to tilt the lights for different angles and setups. The included 75-inch tripod stands are sturdy, height-adjustable, and designed to support the lights securely, making them great for both desk setups and larger studio spaces. Brightness is easily adjustable through the built-in dimmer, so you can fine-tune your lighting without adding filters or extra gear. What makes this kit budget-friendly is that it provides a complete lighting solution in one package, ideal for beginners or intermediate creators who want pro-level lighting without overspending. Whether you're recording YouTube videos, live streaming, or doing studio photography, the Neewer 480 LED kit gives you consistent, customizable, and reliable lighting at a price that's hard to beat.